I'm going to show you the top 4 software to rewrite your AI content to be undetectable. We want undetectable AI for SEO because if Google flags your AI generated content, it means they'll take another look at it, which could hurt your SEO ranks. To avoid this, we need tools that can make our AI content appear human written, bypassing Google's AI gold flag to rank better. Let's get to it. Click the links in the description to try these AI rewriters for free. Here's a few common features that they all have. They all rewrite text to avoid detection while preserving the original meaning, real-time processing for immediate results, user-friendly interface so you can easily navigate the platform, maintaining context and tone of the original text, and the content is processed securely and confidentially. BypassGPT is an AI-powered tool designed to make your content undetectable by AI detectors. It has advanced natural language processing algorithms to make sure the content closely mimics human writing patterns. It has an intuitive design so you can use it easily to rewrite your content, and it maintains contextual accuracy of your rewritten content with the original meaning and tone. It also has batch processing so you can rewrite multiple pieces of content at the same time. This tool is great for producing high quality, undetectable content and making your AI content valuable for your website and SEO. Undetectable AI is a tool designed to transform your AI content into human-like text. It also has sophisticated algorithms to make sure your content appears that it was written by humans and evades AI detectors. This tool has a lot of customization options so you can change up the tone and style to fit different kinds of contexts and audiences. It also integrates with many platforms so you can streamline your rewriting process across different websites. It also has a feature that you can fine-tune the level of humanization, giving you control over how much the AI alters the original content. It works good for many different kinds of websites, even casual blog posts to professional documents. Its accuracy and ability to maintain the original message is why this is one of my favorite AI rewriters. NetusAI is an advanced AI tool that also can rewrite your AI content to be undetectable. It has sophisticated algorithms to change your AI content into text that closely mimics human writing. NetusAI has multilingual support so you can create undetectable content in many different languages. This is great for global SEO strategies. The platform is user-friendly and ensures that the rewritten content maintains the original context and tone. It also has extensive customization options, so you can adjust the tone and style to suit your website. It has integration capabilities, making it convenient for lots of different content creation and a seamless workflow. It has an emphasis on security and privacy, so you can know that all of your content is processed securely and confidentially, making it great for handling sensitive or proprietary information. WriteHuman is an advanced AI tool designed to make your AI content appear human-written and undetectable. It has some really powerful AI algorithms to rewrite your content to make sure that it mimics human writing. WriteHuman has versatile writing styles, and it has multiple tones for any kind of content that you're creating, such as formal business writing or casual blog posts. The software preserves your content to make sure that the rewritten content maintains the meaning and intent from your original article. This is a great way to produce high quality, accurate content that's also undetectable. WriteHuman also integrates with many content platforms, making it great for bloggers, marketers, and SEOs, of course. The platform is user-friendly and easy to use for anyone that wants to rewrite their content with minimal effort. WriteHuman places a strong emphasis on security and privacy, so all your content is processed securely. This focus on high quality, accurate, and undetectable content makes WriteHuman one of my favorite when it comes to AI rewriters. I've been using this for a while now, and I would recommend you use WriteHuman if you can't decide which of these tools you like the best. These 4 AI rewriting tools, BypassGPT, Undetectable AI, NetusAI, and WriteHuman, give you powerful features to make sure your AI-generated content is undetectable. A valuable tip here to maximize their effectiveness is to experiment with different customization options to match your content's tone and style perfectly. This not only improves the authenticity, but it also makes sure that your content resonates well with your audience. Staying under Google's radar is crucial for maintaining your SEO efforts if you want to continue to use AI. Now you can rewrite your AI content with these software to make sure you're on top of things just in case Google decides to roll out another update. Check out these other videos of AI software you should be using for SEO.